और आतंकवाद पर पाकिस्तान की पोल खोलने के लिए बीजेपी सांसद बैजंत पांडा के नेतृत्व में सांसदों का एक डेलीगेशन बहरीन पहुंच चुका है।
डेलीगेशन ने लोगों से बातचीत की, पहलगाम हमले, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर, पाकिस्तान को लेकर अपना पक्ष रखा। प्रतिनिधिमंडल का नेतृत्व कर रहे बीजेपी सांसद बैजंत पांडा ने बहरीन में कड़े शब्दों में कहा कि जो मोदी कहते हैं कि अब पाकिस्तान से अगर बात होगी तो पीओके और आतंकवाद पर, उन्होंने कहा कि भारत किसी भी तरह की परमाणु धमकी से डरने वाला नहीं है।
और अगर अब की पाकिस्तान की तरफ से कोई ऐसी हरकत हुई तो इसका और करारा जवाब दिया जाएगा कि फिर वो कभी उसे भूल नहीं पाएगा।
We will have talks only on two issues with Pakistan, that return of Pakistan occupied Kashmir and stop of terrorism. Now, if they know what to do to get us to respond. They have to take action on the terrorists who are openly operating on their soil. By the way, these terrorists are not only hitting at India. These people are connected with many terror attacks, including 9/11, including attacks in UK, including attacks in other parts of Europe and other countries. So it is not just an Indian problem, but we face the biggest part of the problem. And what happens when these talks is they start with the same thing. Why not have a joint investigation? Why not have a neutral investigation? We have tried all those things. Now our new doctrine is we have called their nuclear bluff. We will no longer be blackmailed by their nuclear bluff. We have demonstrated many times from last several years, but now especially, that we can and we will retaliate, and things will never go anywhere close to being nuclear. And that is because our intention is not hostility.
ये डेलीगेशन अभी सऊदी अरब, कुवैत और अल्जीरिया भी जाएगा और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में भारत का पक्ष दुनिया के सामने रखेगा।
दरअसल ओवैसी ने बहरीन सरकार से मांग की कि पाकिस्तान को FATF की ग्रे लिस्ट में शामिल किया जाए, वापस लाया जाए और उसमें मदद भारत की जाए ताकि आतंक को पालने वाला देश पैसों का गलत इस्तेमाल ना कर पाए।
Our government has sent us over here and various delegations comprising of all party members of parliament to different parts of the world, so that the world knows the threat which India has been facing from last so many years. And unfortunately we have lost huge amount of human lives. Innocent people have been killed, and the fact of the matter is that this problem emanates from Pakistan only. Unless and until Pakistan stops promoting, aiding, sponsoring all these terrorist groups, this issue will not go away. The Pahalgam attack which took place, in which 26 tourists have lost their lives. And please, understand the enormity of this massacre which took place. A girl which got married 6 days ago, on the 7th day she becomes a widow. A girl which got married 2 months ago, she becomes a widow. Our government has taken all the steps to protect the life and limb of every Indian, and this government has made very clear. Next time you take up this misadventure, it will be beyond what they are expecting. Unanimity in our country, irrespective of whatever political affiliations we belong to. Yes, we have our political differences, but when it comes to the integrity of our country, it is high time that the neighboring country understands. And I would hope and request that the Bahraini government would help us in bringing back Pakistan grey list of FATF, because this money has been used to support those terrorists.